Now, sweeping changes to the nation's tax code now in effect. Tax professionals say it could affect your wallet and not in the way you want it to. Fox 24's Kelly O'Neill in studio to give us an in-depth look at why your tax refund could look dramatically different this year.
Congress passed the Republican-led Tax Cuts and Jobs Act in December 2017, the most significant change to tax code in 30 years. It affects both individual and corporate tax rates. Now we're in the first tax season since the law went into effect, and early reports show the average refund is down 8%.
I never go into it expecting wild and crazy things.
As if life couldn't get any busier. Time is ticking for tax filing season.
It's going to be more hectic than most seasons, for sure.
While some people welcome Uncle Sam,
I kind of enjoy doing my taxes.
Tax professionals like CPA Christian Bott say this year you might want to adjust your expectations. According to the IRS, the average tax return for the last filing season was just over $2,100. Early reports show that this year it's around $1,900.
With the IRS changing the withholding tables, it's going to be dramatically different for 18 than it has been in the past.
As part of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, tax withholding tables were adjusted to reflect the lower tax rates. So if you didn't adjust your W-4, expect to see a change.
So basically you're getting more money in your paychecks each time, but when you go to expect that big refund like some people do for purchases or wanting to put down payments on houses, it might not be as big this year.
The standard deduction has doubled from just over $6,000 to $12,000 for a single filer, and from $12,000 to $24,000 for married couples filing jointly.
But more and more people will use the standard deduction over itemizing just because they've limited the taxes that you can deduct, and most people don't have enough charitable contributions and home mortgage interest to get over that threshold.
The personal exemption is gone.
They've kind of compensated for that with the higher standard deduction, so you're getting a bigger deduction overall.
And there's a new $500 deduction for dependents over 17, like elderly parents or college students. The child tax credit has also doubled to $2,000 for kids under 17.
You want to run?
Yeah. For Tracy Lindstrom, a mother of 6, that's a significant change.
I think the fact that we have several children really helped with that. But the fact that we were also, I would say that 40% of our return had to do with contributing too much to our federal taxes throughout the year.
And whether you're filing as an individual or for a business, you should still expect a delay because of the recent government shutdown. If you want your refunds sooner, it's best to file electronically.
Especially the paper checks will be exasperated even more.
And that, Lindstrom says, makes the whole process just a little more enjoyable.
Having the technology to have easy processes in place is such a blessing for our generation. I think if I had to do it with pen and paper, I wouldn't look forward to it.
The filing deadline for 2018 tax returns is Monday, April 15th. For small business owners, the tax code is more complex. To see a more complete and detailed list of all the changes to the tax code for individuals and for businesses, head over to our website. That's fox24news.tv. In studio, Kelly O'Neill, Fox 24 News.